It's giving coffee. It's giving breakfast.
Because you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another one from the Wiggins Hair. Okay, I think this might be my first time actually reviewing a unit from Wiggins Hair. I'm excited. I heard they have really good hair. Just to the touch, this one is nice. I'm coming through with a V-part unit. So she has 1, 2, 3, 4 combs at the top. Excuse me, clips at the top. They're metal clips. 1 in the middle, 2 on the side, 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. Wakanda forever. Now this is a V-part wig. Get into the construction of that, okay? Now the point is that you're supposed to be able to leave minimal leave out. Minimum. Or, oh, I'm getting my makeup on this. Minimal leave out or no leave out at all. So, because I don't believe minimal leave out, or no leave out at all to be true, I'm just going to go through with the minimal leave out. So, I am going to get her together. This unit is very thick. She's 150% density, I believe. She is 24 inches. And at 24 inches, this V-part is currently going for $281 on that site. For a V-part wig at 150% density, I think that's a bit expensive, I'm going to be honest. However, I haven't put her on my head yet, so she might blow us away. Okay, so I'm going to shut my Mimi's head mouth. We're going to get into her. I know I usually sound more excited. I don't know why I don't today. All right, my loves, let's go to the Mimi Tatum Salon, okay? We are going to get this unit all the way together. Now, I am back with the Wiggins Hair V-part wig. I have her in 150% density. Again, this is a V-part, and she's currently going for just about $282 on wigginshair.com, okay? So, first of all, can we talk about the name Wiggins? I don't know what it is, but I really am feeling that name. So I'm going through with the BioSilk, and I really love this product. I use it on my natural hair as well as my units, and I like to go through and put it on my hair just to make sure that it's heat protected and I can get that more silky look. So with my Babyliss wand curlers and my Andy straightening comb, I'm just going to go on through and try to get her as sleek as I can. And by sleek, I mean, I just want to remove these little waves that are at the root, okay? Because that kind of gives it like, not a bulky look, but not as natural as I wanted to. Like I want it to be thick and sexy and Snickers and love and sex and magic, but I don't necessarily need it to look like, you know, I'm wearing a helmet. Like that ain't hot. So that's why I'm going through and kind of getting into the roots and thinning them out, straightening them out as much as I possibly can, as you see here. So I am really into the texture of this unit. I don't know if I really stressed that enough. The texture of the hair is really, really beautiful and soft. The clip did kind of come loose, if we're being honest, okay? That's why I keep adjusting it in the front. But other than that, I really felt like this unit was really beautiful. Now, it is $281 for 24 inches. But the way the hair looks on me, it gives a little longer. That's number one. And the texture of the hair is really, really beautiful. So I'm just going through. I'm going to get her all the way together. I'm going to shut my Mimi's head mouth, okay? And I'm going to see y'all beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. Huh. With Wiggins Hair now. I have been relatively impartial to V-part wigs lately, just because I'm kind of like, it's got to be some new technology, a new curl, new something out there. Wiggins hair is a V-part wig, standard V-part wig. There is no exciting technology. However, I do think that the texture of the hair is really, really beautiful. Like, I'm a bit blown away by it. I mean, really, really, really pretty. What I like the most is, one, it didn't tangle. She did not shed. She's very big head friendly. The texture of the hair is really, really beautiful. I even think if I were to like really go in and wanted to style her up, she would be an easy style too. You know what I mean? Obviously, she needs a little love, sex, and magic because she is a kinky straight wig, kinky straight V-part wig. So we would have to give her a little bit of zhuzhing, but that's nothing major. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like for a first date, this is a V-part wig with Wiggins hair. We just met. It's a first date. It's giving coffee. It's giving breakfast. Like, I would like to see more from Wiggins hair. I feel like this one is very cute. Look at that. That's my hair. Yeah. So I feel like I'm giving Kenya Moore hair. Okay, look how beautiful that hair is. Like, beautiful hair. It's textured. It's lightweight. Now, that's a big call out. Very lightweight. Do I think she is worth the price? I think only time will tell, actually. I'm going to be honest. Like, I think this is one of the units, like, I'm probably going to have to live with for a little bit to give you guys a definitive answer on that. However, look at that. Just no tangles at all. Super beautiful. I don't have nothing else to say. I got this together in no time. I hope you guys enjoy her like I am, okay? I did leave hair out. But that's a personal preference. Y'all be saying the V part. I'm not into the invisible part look, and I ain't about to give it to you, her, or nobody the hell else. So if you have not already, bust down, subscribe to this Mimi Tipton channel, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.